It's a very special day today as our very own dear school has completed 37 years successfully and feeling extremely honored to have been sharing this great news. Hornsey College was established in 1982 with 500 students. Progressed rapidly for 37 years. Even though there was a sudden influx of students when the school was included in the secondary school development project. The primary classes were phased out gradually and primary school formed separately. Now, it has only secondary classes up to GCE AL Arts and Commerce stream with the principal and 60 staff. Presently 938 students are receiving their education and in future the population of the students will rapidly increase. Success. It can be a lonely road, it can be a tough road, it can be a hard road. Those who follow others like sheep will never know who they truly are. And only those who follow their own path can discover the true potential. That is what we are doing in last 37 years. We can endlessly go on praising our school, but now we would want to extend special thanks to our Honorable Principal, Mr. V. Udayakumar, for steadily working towards the betterment of our school and leaving no stone unturned in the welfare of the students. We have no grievances because we sincerely believe that we have been given great exposure here. And we are not only imparted knowledge through the medium of books, but also have given practical learning sessions with the real life incidents. Vision of Hornsey College is to create an intellectual society to face present-day challenges with dynamism and humanity. Mission of Hornsey College is to enlighten our students to be confident, self-motivated and good citizen. We are delighted that our students continue to be very active in a range of community projects such as Shramadana campaign, drug prevention program, Sylvia mission program, career guidance program conducted by Kalani Valley Plantations. Other ventures are supported by students in each key stage so that students have many opportunities to interact with, appreciate and support the less privileged communities. Extracurricular activities are defined as those activities which are not the components of academic curriculum, but an integral part of education environment. It comprises sports, singing, art, music, debate, dance, drama and social services. Art is important because it encompasses all the development domains in a child. Art lends itself to physical development and enhancement of the skills. The art competition at Hornsey College was held very successfully. A simple line painted with a brush can lead to freedom and happiness. The achievements, success or accomplishments we gain in school are the part of best school life years. Special projects are as follows: best practices, co-curricular development, sustainable development program, discipline maintaining, sanitary service development, increasing students' performance level. And the expected outcome is that the image of Hornsey College will rise and the community will feel belongings of their school. The whole community will commit themselves to protect the image of the school and the school will march towards the excellence. Music. Music is the language of the spirit. It opens the secret of life bringing peace, abolishing strife, happiness, sorrow, lamentation, laughter. To all these, music gives voice. The Voice of Hornsian, which was a tremendous program held successfully at Hornsey College. Music can name the unnameable and communicate the unknowable. On this memorable day, do thank our parents for their caring guidance and unfailing support throughout these years. The role play has indeed contributed a great deal to our achievements today. We are sure that they will continue to stand by you and offer the encouragement and support you need as you progress to the next stage of life. Today, the achievements of Hornsey College, especially in 2019, it has been a great success. We are very thankful to everyone who volunteered their time. We can tell every person here is committed to keep the great success, and it's really inspiring to see. We would maintain that thanks are the highest form of thought, and that gratitude is happiness doubled by wonder. And last but not the least, we want to thank you all for your presence and your support in behalf of the Hornsey College.